Have you ever heard of Moxibustion? This is an ancient healing practice from traditional Chinese medicine that's been used for centuries to restore balance and improve health. So I'm going to explain what it is, how it works, and what you should know before trying it, and some of the cautions behind this type of modality. And stick around. In a nutshell, Moxibustion involves burning an herb called mugwort really close to the skin to stimulate acupuncture points. And there's many different types of Moxibustions. There's little tiny cigar kind, big cigar kind, small cigarette kind. There's some that you can put as a cone onto your skin. There's some that you can put on top of a needle, and that's called a warming needle. There's some that are circulating around on social media right now, which are smokeless, and they either have a metal base and like a little bit of herbs sticking out, and then you burn that and it allows that warmth to penetrate deeply and promote circulation, supporting the body's natural healing process. In traditional Chinese medicine, Moxibustion helps strengthen the yang part of our body, dispel cold that can be stuck within our body, and harmonize the flow of qi, which is your vital energy that is needed to live. So you might be wondering, who and when can Moxibustion be used? And some of the common indications for when Moxibustion is used is for digestive issues like bloating, diarrhea, abdominal pain, cold-related conditions, so such as joint pain, fatigue, feeling chilled all the time, poor circulation in hands and feet. Boosting your immunity is number 3. And to overall support your wellness and body's resilience. And number 4 is pain relief for conditions like arthritis and menstrual cramps, where heat helps relieve pain. Number 5 is turning breech babies, which is a wild one for me, and it's a specialized use where moxa is applied to a point near the one of your pinky toe to encourage fetal movement and to put the fetus in a proper position for birth. Because I've been seeing a lot of influencers use this recently and promote moxa, it's really important to go over the cautions and contraindications and when not to use moxa, because sometimes it can be more harmful to do these at-home remedy herbal things than it can do good for you. So while Moxibustion has a lot of benefits, there are very important cautions to keep in mind. So one would be avoid putting Moxibustion over any sensitive or inflamed skin area. It can cause burns if applied too closely to these areas, and also just a risk of burns from burning something really close to your skin. Number 2 is it is not suitable for people that have a lot of heat in their body, like heat symptoms. And for example, like if you have a fever, probably shouldn't be doing moxa on yourself or any points on your body. Excessive sweating, there's a lot of heat in this person's body. It could actually aggravate your condition rather than help. I've seen it used for stress currently online, and again, if you have heat symptoms, like excess heat in your body, it is not indicated for you and it can make your condition worse. Number 3 is pregnancy considerations. So like we said, that it can be used for turning a breech position to like a proper birth position. Turning breech babies. Moxibustion should generally be avoided on the abdomen altogether in pregnancy because it's too stimulating for the baby. Number 4, because you are burning something, even the smokeless kind that are being shown on social media right now, ventilation is the key. This is if you're not ventilating properly, you're inhaling the smoke, and it can, in long term, be harmful for your lungs overall. And or the smell of moxa is really strong. So if you're doing it inside of your house, you need to make sure you're airing it out or have some sort of ventilation system going, because it can, if you burn enough moxa for long enough in your house wood and things in your house will start retaining the moxa smell. So burned mugwort produces smoke usually and needs to be in a well ventilated space. And last but not least, this is a type of healing herbal modality, and consulting a professional who is licensed acupuncturist or has knowledge in traditional Chinese medicine should be consulted. If you're unsure if you should or shouldn't use moxa at home, even the ones that they're going around, reach out to a licensed practitioner for guidance before you start just placing it on your body and starting burning it because you saw it on social media. Okay, well, that kind of wraps it all up. Moxibustion is super powerful. It is a super powerful tool, in traditional Chinese medicine that's been used, and when used correctly. So whether you're looking to support your health or complement other treatments, it's worth exploring under proper guidance through a licensed practitioner. Have you ever tried Moxibustion before? Let me know your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Excuse me looking like a mess. I am currently studying for finals and did not manage my time well, so I had to throw something together, so I still put a video out today. So yeah. If you like this video and want to know more about it or more things TCM related, like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the traditional Chinese medicine and holistic healing. Bye for now.